Houck Fab, getting ready to load up the Possum.
That's gonna be good.
Let me flatten it out more.
Let me try. Lift it up some.
That's not Hey Jim, can you run up there and give me some? Just turn it on the side if you want to. Okay. Right into that front end. You know that?
What?
That somebody's gonna be right in that front end. There, we're getting.
Get my little foam pieces off.
Is that what was hanging?
Yeah.
I thought when I put my head down, I thought I seen something.
Where the projects were.
Yeah.
Right on.
Okay, you lock it back. Okay, here's a little walk around of the Possum after we got it home from Houck Performance Fab. He knocked it out of the park. We have a 540 big block F3 136 Pro charger. Larry did all the headers, everything on it. It just come out really nice. Paint and body was done here in the shop. Jim and I did some of the body work. Jim did 90% of it. Casso's come down and shoot it. You see it's got carbon door panels, carbon sides, titanium. We didn't spare anything. It took us a while. It's all going to be Holly, but the attention to detail on the inside is just next to none. Larry knocked it out of the park, as you can see. Put a little blue accent color in everything. It's gray, black, and a little bit of blue here and there. But carbon fiber bed cover. So you can come down the side. Larry's custom wing he made. Had it powder coated on the top, painted on the sides. See the back of it. Got the RJ's chute on it. So I got tail lights. It is all steel except for the front end. We gonna do a spare pair of fenders, so we can do steel fenders too. It's got Lexan back windows, side windows, but it's still quarter, still roof, still doors. Fiberglass front end. Got all the rubbers and sills to make it all look factory. Can come in and see we got precision shifter, Motion Raceworks bottle, VPS, Davis VPS in it. We got the Davis traction control. Got the little Possum up on the dash, little accent of it. Like I said, getting it ready here to go to Jay's Wire Solutions. But you can see the attention to details, fire bottle lines, shut off, everything there. It just pictures and videos don't do it justice. Got to see it in person. We did run a little bit of old school wheels because we just like the old school, but I think it come out really good. Like I said, it's got a lot of titanium, carbon fiber on it. Truck is super light. Can't wait to get it wired.
I'm already recording.
She's recording all of this.
So we just we come up here to Dundee here, right in Michigan, to drop Possum off to Jay, the J Wire Solution. He's the one that's going to take care of all of it, make it look beautiful. And this is the final step before it goes back to Larry to get it. They're going to wire it, they're going to dyno it, and then we're going to come pick it up. And then they'll go back for the final chassis setup. Then we're going to take it and test it out. But Jay here at Wire Solutions, if you need any wiring or anything done, make sure you look up Jay here at J Wire Solutions. So,
He's going to send us little videos
yep.
in between, so we'll be posting those too.
Totally.
Anything you want to say, Jay, or anything?
No, it's time to make some noise.
Yes.
2 weeks, we're making some noise.
Yes, we are so excited.
Finally in sight.
Totally. So that's what we did today. We'll be having a video up here, and you'll be checking it out. So we appreciate it.
Thanks, guys.